In this video, I will show you how we can change the landscape mode in Canva. This is a portrait image or template. We need to convert it to landscape mode. By default, Canva doesn't have that type of feature, but we can do that easily by using a small trick. We just need to resize it and then it will be done. So let's see how we can do this change or how we can change to landscape mode in Canva. At first, we have to open the file, and on the top we'll find resize. We just need to click here and the resize options will be appeared. From here we have to choose resize, custom size. Once we click here, then we'll find this type of thing. Now here we are seeing that this is 8.5 by 11, so we just need to convert it to 11 by 85. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to remove this thing, and then I'm going to type 11, and then it should be 8.5. Okay, so we put that, which change the orientation, right? 8.5 by 11, right? Sorry, 11 by 8.5, right? So previously we had 8.5 by 11, now we have 11 by 8.5. And now here basically if we click here, we'll find different options. We just need to uncheck this part because we don't need it. Then we need to click the continue button. Once we press the continue button, it will give us this type of window: copy and resize or resize this design. Our goal was to resize this design, that means to convert it to a landscape mode in Canva. So I'm going to choose this button, resize this design. Once we click here, then we'll see that it changed the size. So right now it has 8.5 this way, and this one has 11 inch. If we click resize, we'll see the actual size. From custom size we can also see that 11 by 8.5, and here also we can check the size 11 inch into 8.5 inch. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily change to landscape mode in Canva. Thank you guys for watching the video.